Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not working on Chrome browser. Whether you go ahead and launch up YouTube, it says not connected to the internet, or when you go ahead and open up a video, it just does not load up. All you need to do is you need to go ahead and do different things. First, I want you to come here to the top right, click on these three dots, come here, click on settings. Then here you'll see privacy and security. Go ahead and click on that, and then click here on delete browsing data. And I want you to come here, toggle this one to all time. You can go ahead and toggle off browsing history, but what you need to make sure cookies and other site data is toggled on, and also cached images and files. You can also just toggle off download history, that's fine, and then delete this data, and then restart your browser. It should work. If it doesn't work, what you need to do in many cases, you just right click on your start icon right here, click on settings, and then from here, I want you to go ahead and click on time and language. From here, click on date and time, and make sure you sync your time first. That usually fixes it. And if you haven't already, make sure set time zone automatically is toggled on, and set time automatically is also toggled on. If you've done this as well, then you just come here at the top right again, click on these three dots, click on settings, come here, scroll down, click on about Chrome, and it will go ahead and check for updates. If there's any updates, make sure Chrome is updated. That usually causes issues. If not, come here, click on extensions, click on manage extensions. You'll see all the extensions you have. Just toggle them off and try opening up YouTube again, because sometimes these extensions actually cause compatibility issues with YouTube. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.